Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the speaker issue in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sounds and haptics. Now here scroll down to the end and click on headphone safety and then turn off reduce loud sounds. So after turning off reduce loud sounds, your speaker problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix your problem, check if your iPhone is in silent mode or not. So if your iPhone is in silent mode, then turn off silent mode, and after turning off silent mode, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Then here scroll down to the hearing section and click on audio or visual, and from here first of all turn on mono audio and then click on background sounds. Now here you will see a background sounds button and a use when media is playing button. So turn on use when media is playing button, and after that your speaker problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. So now swipe this icon to right side to turn off or restart your iPhone, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.